wants what he wants.
Hey! We're going to the mall for the 80th time this week.
That's fine.
We are in Forever 21, like in every single mall vlog. So, yeah. We're in line at Forever 21. Got things.
I swear to God, I'm not.
We're gonna go to Starbucks and we're in the photo booth again.
Record a 30-second video message.
Yeah, it's the Forever
Then,
21.
when your video is complete, you'll pose 4 times. See those up
Black
and
and
down
white or
buttons?
sepia?
Use them to highlight a
Let's
photo
do sepia.
style.
We're gonna
Then
do
press
black
the
and white, alright.
Use the up and down buttons to
Oh
select
my
a
god,
graphic
okay.
theme.
Let's
Press the
go to
OK button to continue.
All the hearts. We go back.
Yeah, hearts.
Use
Yeah,
the
that's
up
what I
and
was-
down
wait.
buttons to select
We
a
have
graphic
sweet
theme.
tape, hearts,
Press the
hot
OK
dog,
button to
what was that?
continue.
Partners, we're down radish, that's not happening. Okay, we're doing the hearts.
Yeah.
We're doing the hearts.
Wait, go up.
Use the
But
up
more
and down
nearby.
arrows to
Okay, we got our pictures and yeah.
Slideshow.
Yeah. We're waiting
silly.
for our parents to come pick us up.
That's why we're sitting
So
here.
we're sitting in
not
front of
just
the mall.
Looking at people go by. Oh! Oh my God!
Okay, we got home and now we're gonna walk to Starbucks and get some PSL because
It's cold and yeah, we're white, so yeah.
okay, really bad lighting, but we got Starbucks.
Oh man.
Oh y'all.
I should have gotten a venti. I said that really weird. Venti.
But
Excuse you!
yeah, we're just gonna go home and eat because eating's yummy.
Ooh, Cheez-Its.
Oh yeah, we got cheese.
Ooh, that's gross. Okay. Ooh, okay, go on.
Anyway, yeah, bye.
Girl,